Writing a compelling thesis statement is crucial for any academic paper, serving as a roadmap that guides the direction of your essay while clearly presenting your main argument. This key component not only helps you focus your research but also engages your readers from the outset. In this video, we will explore the significance of a strong thesis statement and provide valuable tips and tricks for crafting one that lays a solid foundation for your work. Why a strong thesis statement matters. A thesis statement encapsulates the essence of your work. It tells your audience what to expect and underscores the purpose of your research. Here are some reasons why a strong thesis statement is indispensable. 1. Clarity and focus. A well-defined thesis statement provides clarity and focus, making it easier for your readers to understand the point of your paper. Number 2. Guides research and writing. It serves as a guide for your research and writing, helping you stay on track and maintaining coherence throughout the paper. 3. Engages readers. A compelling thesis statement can pique your readers' interests and encourage them to continue reading. Number 4. Defines scope. It helps in defining the scope of your paper, preventing you from straying off topic or including irrelevant information. Tips and tricks for crafting a compelling thesis statement. Creating a strong thesis statement can be challenging, but these tips and tricks can help you develop one that effectively communicates your main argument. 1. Start with a question. Begin by formulating a research question related to your topic. This question will guide your investigation and ultimately your thesis statement. For example, if you're writing about climate change, you might ask, how does climate change impact global food security? Number 2. Be specific. A vague thesis statement can confuse your readers. Ensure your thesis is specific and clearly articulates your main argument. Instead of saying climate change is bad, you could write, climate change negatively impacts global food security by reducing crop yields and increasing the frequency of extreme weather events. 3. Take a stand. Your thesis statement should reflect a clear stance on the issue you're discussing. Avoid neutral language and ensure your position is evident. For example, the death penalty should be abolished because it is an ineffective deterrent and a violation of human rights. 4. Make it debatable. A strong thesis statement presents an argument that can be debated. It should provoke thought and invite discussion. For instance, social media platforms should be more heavily regulated to protect user privacy, is a debatable thesis. 5. Keep it concise. Aim to express your thesis statement in 1 or 2 sentences. Conciseness ensures clarity and makes it easier for your readers to grasp your main argument quickly. Revise and refine. Don't hesitate to revise and refine your thesis statement as you progress with your research. Your initial thesis may evolve as you gain more insights into your topic. Number 7. Seek feedback. Getting feedback from peers, advisors, or writing centers can help you refine your thesis statement. Constructive criticism can provide new perspectives and highlight areas for improvement. Examples of strong thesis statements. Weak. Pollution is bad for the environment. Strong. Industrial pollution, primarily from factories, contributes significantly to global warming, causing severe environmental and health problems. Weak. Online education is becoming popular. Strong. The rise of online education offers a flexible and accessible alternative to traditional classroom learning, particularly for non-traditional students and working professionals. Crafting a strong thesis statement is a critical step in writing a successful academic paper. By providing clarity, focus, and direction, it sets the stage for effective research and writing. For students struggling with thesis writing, remember that expert assistance is available. Visit our ordering page at thesis.help to get professional help in crafting a compelling thesis.